Greetings, it's Mr. Cushion Coffee, and I'd like to welcome you once again to Cushion Coffee with GP. It's an exciting day around the desk, let me tell you, as I finally gotten my hands on some of this extremely limited Talking Terps cannabis merchandise. If you're unfamiliar, Talking Terps is a cannabis lifestyle brand pioneered by Flatbush Zombies rapper and cannabis enthusiast Juice and his friend and artist known as Hope. The brand started out as exclusive merchandise that they had on tour for Juice, but has since blossomed into its own creative world of cannabis-themed art, accessories, and clothing. Despite its underground roots, Talking Terps represents something big for someone like myself who's equal parts cannabis enthusiast as much as I am collector and curator of fine goods. It's a nice little intersection of all these things. So, with my excitement out the way, let's open this thing. Okay, now let's get into it. We have this lovely bright green Talking Terps box with these wonderful graphics on every panel. The box came in the mail exactly like this with just a simple packaging, and your box was directly inside that. You have these wonderful flower graphics, mushrooms, and of course the words "buckle your brain," because we all know that this is going to be a wild ride. Opening up the package, and wow, just like that, we have several contents inside, including your Talking Terps postcard, because they want you to write your mother every now and then, gotta keep up with moms. Your Talking Terps certificate of authenticity to prove that you in fact have a genuine Talking Terps piece, because that's important as well. And of course, your numbered 1 of 420 Talking Terps holographic Terp trading card, which details what number of the collection you have. Lastly, we have the shirt, Love Your Garden, on the tag. And we're going to go ahead and throw everything back in the box and keep it moving, because I want to show you the back, just to show you how many angles you can show off this piece from before we continue on to our second box. I picked up 2 of these, like I said, because I am very excited to have them. I'm gonna rock one of these t-shirts, and the other one will remain in cold storage indefinitely. Opening up the second box, we have once again another postcard, different graphic on the front. We have our certificate of authenticity once again, just because, like I said, proving that this stuff is real. Hey, it's only 1 of 420, so you might as well know which one you got. And then lastly, our trading card. Because I felt like 150 was a better number, I think I'm gonna go ahead and open up number 136, and that's about it. Now that we were able to explore the colorful world of Terp Crawford together, we got one thing left to do. Now, with the help of movie magic, we just gonna apply like so. Bam. And just like that, not a hair out of place. I'd like to thank you for joining me once again here at Cushion Coffee with GP. I'm Mr. Cushion Coffee, and I'm satisfied. Have a good one. Look like I need some fresh greens.